Okay, so now we're going to do a half double crochet. So to do that, you're going to yarn over your hook. So now you've got 2 loops on there. Hold that in place, and you're going to push right through your stitch, just like that. Yarn over and pull up a loop. So now you've got 3 loops on your hook. So remember, for the single crochet you ended up with 2. For a half double crochet you've got 3. Yarn over and pull through all 3. Let's do another half double crochet. Yarn over your hook, push through the entire stitch, yarn over your hook, and pull up a loop. So you've got 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops.